Welcome back, traders. I'm Susie, and this is the Small Account Challenge 3.0, the day trading blueprint, where I help traders like you grow a small account from just $500, which gained over 1,126% this morning alone. This trade was incredible, and it is the perfect opportunity to discuss something that one of my subscribers asked me to do a video on, and that's how to control your emotions so that you can stay with trades for the full trend and not sell too early, so that you don't miss out on those really big moves. If you've ever been tempted to take profits too soon or panicked during a pullback, this video is for you. So stick around because I'm going to be showing you exactly how I managed emotions during this incredible momentum move. So let's start with a quick update on my small account and see the progress that I have made so far. Today is December 17th, 2024, and after just 6 trades in this challenge, my account balance has grown to $21,623.45. That's a staggering 4,224% profit gain in less than 2 weeks, starting with just $500. It hasn't been a straight road to success. My second trade in this challenge was a loss, but by staying patient, disciplined, and focused on the strategy, I was able to hit a home run today. Not every stock we trade will deliver this kind of opportunity, but on average, we see 2 big profit gainers per month. The key is being prepared with the right plan, the right tools, and discipline to execute. This morning's trade was on NUKK, a nanofloat stock that gapped up 175% during pre-market, drawing massive interest. My Discord alert system flagged it at 6:27 a.m. this morning, and here's why it stood out. Buyer volume outpaced seller volume by 8 times, which is a critical indicator for momentum stocks. After selling off below the 200 EMA, NUKK set up for a potential EMA reclaim and reversal, which, if you watched yesterday's video, is one of my favorite strategies for reversals. Now, while there was no immediate news at the time, the massive gap up and unusual activity suggested someone knew something, and the volume confirmed it. By 7:51 a.m., I alerted my Discord group that NUKK was forming a textbook 200 EMA reclaim setup on the reversal. Now, let's tackle the most important part of all of this: controlling emotions. When trading momentum stocks, the biggest challenge there is resisting the urge to sell too early. So here's how I managed my emotions through this trade and stuck with the trade for the full trend. First, follow a clear trade plan. I entered NUKK at $2.44. Now, when I started this morning, my account was still relatively small. It was in the $3,000 range. So with a $2.44 entry, I purchased shares, leveraging all of my available capital. My initial stop loss was just below the 200 EMA at $2.22, and my target was the daily gap fill level of $16.80. Having predefined smart targets helped me stay calm and focused. Each target acted as a checkpoint, giving me confidence to hold the trade as long as price respected those levels. 2. Use smart targets as trailing stops. Think of smart targets as stepping stones. As price climbs, it may pull back slightly, but as long as it holds above the previous target, the trend remains intact. This approach removes the guesswork, and it removes the emotional stress of deciding when to sell. For example, when NUKK hit $5.55, it pulled back to $4.80. And instead of panicking, I waited for confirmation that the pullback held that $4.80 support before continuing higher. Third, understand market psychology. Selling too early often stems from fear of losing profits or for impatience. But by focusing on the bigger picture, like volume, trends, and targets, you can override those emotional impulses. Now let me break down the mindset and tools that helped me control my emotions during this trade. First, focus on the process, not the profits. It's easy to get fixated on the dollar amount that you're making, but that can lead to impulsive decisions. Instead, I focus on executing the trade plan perfectly. On entries, exits, and stops. The profits are just a result of following the process, not chasing them. Second, use AI momentum alerts. My Discord group benefits from AI momentum alerts that provide real-time insights. These alerts helped confirm the strength of trend, so I didn't have to second guess myself. Third, detach emotionally. One technique I use is visualizing the trade as a game. My only job is to stick to the rules and make the best moves possible. This mental shift reduces the emotional attachment to individual trades. So now let's talk about how I managed the trade. By 10:53 a.m., NUKK hit my gap fill target of $16.80, just as planned. Momentum pushed higher to $17.66, but I sold all of my shares at that $16.80 gap fill level, locking in a profit of $18,481.32 in just over 3 hours. And here's how I managed the trade from start to finish. I stayed disciplined. I stuck to my targets and I didn't sell. And I didn't let those small pullbacks shake me out. Take profits into strength. Selling at the target instead of waiting for the absolute top ensured that I locked in my gains. Learn from every trade. After exiting, I reviewed the trade to identify what worked well and where I could improve. Trading is a game of strategy and discipline. Controlling emotions is one of the hardest parts, yet the most rewarding skills to master. By focusing on a clear plan, using tools like SMART targets, and staying patient, you can ride the full trend and maximize your profits. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Subscribe for more updates and educational videos. And I want to hear from you. Tell me in the comments, how do you control emotions while you're day trading? Drop your tips and comments below. I'd love to feature them in a future video. And if you're ready to take your trading to the next level, join us at MomentumStockTraders.com, where I'm currently running a December deep discount, which won't last long. You'll get the AI momentum alerts, the SMART target tools, full access to my private Discord channel where we discuss strategies, tips, alerts, and one-on-one mentoring. And I can tell you the group gets amazing results every day. This group is an absolute game changer for those of you who want to become a more profitable trader. So join us today while the December deep discount is still on. Till then, stay disciplined, trade smart, and let's grow those small accounts together.